everyone. So let's make some bhajia or viazi karai. Some call it bhajia, some call it viazi karai. It just depends how you want to call it. But I feel like it's the same thing anyway. So first, after peeling my potatoes, I'm going to cut it into this shape. Not too thin, not too thick. Yes, because if you cut it too thin, it's going to be too crunchy like potato chips or crisps like we call it. Then after that, I'm going to add it into a bowl of water, wash my potato chips, and then I'm going to put a casserole, boil my water. Then I will put it in a hot boiling water for at least 3 to 2 minutes. Don't let it overcook, because now you won't be cooking what you want to cook. Then in another bowl, I'm going to add some all-purpose flour. Just add flour depending on how much bhajia you're making, because it has to be thick. Yes, the flour has to be thick. Then I'll add turmeric for color. The turmeric helps give it that yellowish color. Then I'm going to add in seasoning. On my side, I did add what do we call this, aromat. I added aromat, and also I added parsley. So if you add parsley or you have coriander powder, you can add, or fresh. I prefer fresh, to be honest, because it gives it that taste. And then I'm going to add my bhajia in the bowl. You can see my bhajia, they have not cooked. So don't let it cook. Just put it in a hot boiling water for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to put my sliced potatoes, mix it with the mix of the flour. Yes. Mix well, make sure everything is has the mix, and then I'm going to put it in a hot pan with hot cooking oil and let it cook. You cook it according to your preference. If you like it crunchy, but I prefer it soft.